Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a footer in Google Docs step by step. So let's begin. First open your document, then use manually down, scroll down or on your document, then double click on your footer, uh, type page number or date or document name and use automatically go to insert tab, page elements, footer, type your footer or different first page options, page numbers, starting, choose your page number. Okay, and again go to insert tab, page elements, edit page number. See this page number in header starting, page number in footer starting on the second page, and page number in footer starting on the first page. Example, use first page, then automatically edit page number, or type manually, click other side. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.